How to send, receive, and swap a token. To send a token, go to the wallet icon, click Send, then select the token of choice from the drop-down list. Add the recipient's wallet address, then amount, and click Send. Follow the prompt to confirm transaction details. Click Confirm. Add your password, and finally, click Continue to send a token. To receive a token, go to the wallet icon, make sure the wallet is set to all chains. Click Receive, copy the address to your wallet, and share with the sender. To swap a token, click on Swap, select the token from the drop-down list, and input the amount you want to swap for in the first box. Then, go to the second box, select the token you want to swap to, and the equivalent amount will appear. To conclude the swap process, click Exchange and enter your password at the next prompt.